back, just raise your hands. Raise your finger.
Today there was an LGBT screening that they organized themselves and they just called us for it, and we were really happy to come and do a Q&A and get a feedback of the film. And they really were happy. A lot of people were really moved by the film, so it's been good. I think you can't generalize our society. I think there's a fringe part of our society that doesn't accept it, but I don't think that's true of everybody. And I think what has been said very nicely at this meeting today is that it's treated as very normal in the film, that we see the human beings in the story, whether they're gay or disabled. So I think that's really what the film is talking about. Here as an actor, not an activist, so my job is to keep acting and do good roles.
The Bollywood fraternity was loving the film after obviously Amir Khan and Kiran Rao, and then Mr. Bachchan saw it and loved the film and then tweeted about it, and really encouraging everybody else to watch it. We had screenings every day in Bombay. People actually told us that we've never been to a screening after which people are generally people are happy, and in here people are really somber, and they go back. Everybody is running to the loo and with clogged nose and crying and really moved. So it was very unreal for us to see that kind of response. But since the film released, we saw it with the audience. Yesterday I went with my friends, and actually we found the audience more interactive, more reactive than even the Firang audience, in the festivals. So I think it's great. The response is stunning. On Twitter, Facebook, random, people are commenting on it, and also grown-up people. What is lovely is all people of all age group is liking the film. So it's ecstatic. Well, there is. The screening here was very good because also it's the people. I mean, the film obviously talks about it doesn't talk about the issue, but the two main protagonists are gay in the film, and it's extremely unfortunate that in the 21st century you live in a country which is supposed to be a democratic country, but it's unfortunate that we can't choose the people we love, and somebody else wants to choose love for us, and it is pretty ridiculous in today's day and age. And I have lots of gay friends, although I'm straight, and it should be as normal as a heterosexual relationship. This was great because you also get to see what people who are actually gay and in homosexual relationships, what they feel about the film, and if they could connect to it, and it seems like they've loved it. So.
Public here, and I was surprised that most of the questions weren't about that. I kept bringing it up, like the people were so stunned by other things explored about loving and embracing yourself and other topics that we had a really good and open discussion on many things to do with the film here, and really nice to meet the public. I'm coming from Phoenix Mills PVR. I just went, that was my first public screening. I was sitting there quietly, nobody knew I was there. And my heart was just beating because I was so scared. This is public. Like here, people have come, they want to meet Shonali Bose Kalki Kekla. There, nobody knows Shonali Bose is sitting there. I was like, how will they react to this film? They watched it, they laughed, they cried, they think. And then I stood up and I said, I'm Shonali Bose, I'm the writer-director. Standing ovation, that whole hall stood up. I started crying. It was so beautiful because that was... So now I'm rushing now. I want to go to Fun Republic. I'm going to as many theatres to just see the public. See, I'm finding audiences are so open to the gay relationship. They, as I'm saying in Phoenix Mills, they were a very mainstream audience, and they sat quietly and watched the whole lovemaking scene. We had a screening on Friday in Pune. 400 Marwadis watching it. They don't even know what gay means. And they said, yes, shocking लगा, लेकिन बहुत इमोशनल है. अभी हमें सोचना है इसके बारे में. हमें कभी सोचा नहीं है कि अगर हमारे बच्चे गे हैं. So this is a conversation opener, this film, and it's enlightening a lot of people. And the way we've shot it is so sensitive that it's not. Sometimes you think gay and lesbian, how they'll make it sensationalized. I saw the opposite of sensationalizing. It's very sensitive. That is why those who are even conservative are loving the film, because I've touched their hearts.
Thank you, Mr.